Connect two processes started with asyncio.subprocess.create_subprocess_exec. When starting two processes with the old school subprocess.popen API, I can easily connect standard out of one process to standard in of another process, creating a pipeline in the same way as a Unix shell will do when connecting commands with. How can I accomplish the same when using the asynchronous API from asyncio.subprocess.create_subprocess_exec, or similar? This is what I tried. But the second call to create_subprocess_exec complains that the argument passed to stin has no felino, which is true. How can I get the same result as in the synchronous example above?
In asyncio, process.stout is actually a stream reader, not a file object. The file object can be accessed through process.transport.proc.stout. Unfortunately, you won't be able to use it since it has already been registered in the event loop in order to provide the stream interface process.stout. One way to deal with the issue is to create your own pipe and pass the file descriptors to the subprocess. Note that the write file descriptor should be explicitly closed once the first subprocess is started. It is not automatically closed unless you use subprocess.pipe. The read file descriptor also needs to be closed, as explained here.
Here's what isn't so